Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that yesterday, the consumer price index came out and the market started to go up. So let's talk about the present situation. Then we have, Ethereum and the final testnet merge on the final one is Goerli. It went live yesterday. And this was the last step, basically, before it goes live on the mainnet, probably on the 19th of September, and things went well. And the third is all about the Ripple is considering buying, Celsius assets. That's also an interesting twist. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you would like to get the daily fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Right, when we're looking at the crypto prices, we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 6% in the last 24 hours. This is a big number, actually, considering what we have recently here in the crypto market. Ethereum up 11%. So Ethereum is at 1,884. Bitcoin, 24,469 US dollar. Okay, so guess what? The market is green. Celsius 29% up. Lido down 17%. Torchin 17%. And many others going up as well. And of course, not many losers. Decred 4%. It's not even loser in crypto, and that's it, the top 100. So overall, we're having a good day so far. When we're looking at the candlestick chart, here you can see yesterday this green candle shows here on the 4-hour one when the CPI data was released, and then obviously the market started to go down. Actually, now we have formed already a higher high here compared to this one because this candle. It's little bit lower than, because here you can see Bitcoin is 24,666 US dollar on this candle, and this one here it went up to 24,751, so slightly better, and now we're forming again a green candle in this hour. So we'll see how long this relief rally can last. It's going to be interesting, but let's talk about this inflation kind of thing. So yes, yesterday many people have waited for it, especially investors, but everybody basically now. It's very interesting what's happening in our economy, and we're living through difficult times. And guess what? The CPI number, which came out, it became 8.5. And actually, it's ridiculous that we are satisfied and glad about an 8.5 inflation. This is big. But guess what? Last month, this is last month. This is July's data. So, but the one which was, showed last month, which showed the June data, it was 9.1. Therefore, this is an improvement which could show that what a Fed is doing, it's working for them successfully. We'll see. But to be honest with you, it's still a very high inflation. So you shouldn't think about that. Okay, now we set. However, the market was glad to see these numbers because they expected to have 8.7. This was the prediction, and anything above it would put people in the bad mood. Anything under it or around it would be a good message for the market, at least for short term. Okay, and this is what happened. This is mainly due large drop in gasoline prices. So this is the oil went down, and this actually helped a lot. However, it's very important to look at because the CPI data this is what politicians look at. But if you're looking at areas, for example, food index in 12 months increased now 10.9%, and this is the fastest pace since 1979 May. Butter went up 26.4, eggs went up 38%, coffee went up 20%, And, despite the monthly drop in the energy index, electricity price rose 1.6, and we're up to 15.2 from a year ago. So that's keep going up. So the energy index rose altogether 32.9 from a year ago. Big number if you're looking at this 12-month period. So overall, I don't think that things are actually over. Yes, we have relief. Now we can breathe a little bit and we see how the next one plays out, because it can easily happen that we're having a higher one in the next month data. So when the August one comes out in September, and then definitely it will have a different effect. But now, of course, for short term, we're feeling good now because this is what the market basically needed. But the problem is not solved yet. This is very important to understand. Okay, next topic to talk about is all about Ethereum, because the Ethereum merge on the mainnet is going to be on the 19th of September if everything works out well. And, yesterday on the third last testnet, things went live and it looks like it's successful. Okay, so yeah, Ethereum merge. This is one of the things what people in crypto waiting probably the most. Looking forward to it. Maybe it can make the market bullish, because it's like a triple halving from Ethereum also. But many interesting things are happening because, with the merge, definitely the energy use goes down for Ethereum 99%, a lot. And many other things happening. But now, step by step, let's talk about what's happening right now. So what we had, this Ethereum testnet. So earlier this summer, we had Robson testnet. It was successful transition to proof of stake, because this is what the basic thing is happening, moving from proof of work to proof of stake. So this happened in June. Then we had another testnet, Sepolia. Again, it happened in July. It was successful. And now, finally, the third one, the last one before for the mainnet, is this one, which just has happened and switched successfully. So Goerli is the one. So things so far so good. And the Ethereum mainnet is expected to formally merge with the Beacon chain, and it's going to happen next month, probably on the 19th of September. We'll see if it's going to happen or not. So far so good. And because of this, Ethereum prices went up. So there was a good news. The CPI data came out, and that helped the market. Plus, we had successful merge on the testnet for Ethereum, which was a key step. Well, and now things looking bright, at least for a short term, because how long it can last. Maybe at merge, when it's happening, the price is going to drop again, and it will go up maybe in the next couple of weeks, the crypto market, thanks for the present economic situation that is slightly better, the inflation. And then we have Ethereum leading now the game. Well, so there is maybe some gains to make now, but be careful. It won't last forever. Okay, and now the third topic I would like to talk about is Ripple considering buying, the bankrupt crypto lender Celsius assets. Well, we do know the Celsius story, what happened to them. The filing revealed that the lending firm assets included cash, cryptocurrency, companies own sell tokens and various digital assets within the custody accounts, loans, and Bitcoin mining businesses, because they field this foam, protect them basically from bankruptcy. And now it looks like that we have someone, and this is the Ripple, the company behind XRP, is interested in it. And why not? Guess what? So there are a lot of not just Celsius tokens. There are many other assets which are not Celsius. which could worth a kind of lot, and they might can get it here on a discount price. And you know, the problem with Celsius that, however, when weighed against the firm's liabilities, the company still, you know, logged a 1.19 billion deficit on the balance sheet. So that's the problem. And the odds of the company creditors getting any of their money back look, you know, grim. So it can happen that maybe they can sell all these assets on a discount price. And this is the reason why they probably interested in. And we can see now Celsius, the token Celsius, it's going up also pretty well. So it's part of this news. But what will happen to it? Well, we will see definitely. Right, guys, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any important information, what's happening in the crypto blockchain world. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.